This is the other elevator at the Meadowlands Racetrack in East Rutherford, New Jersey. It's a Schindler, another Schindler 400 acre. Very exciting. This one's a little bit nicer. Let's go to the clubhouse. Let's listen. Here we go. Let's go back down to the track. And we're going to look out the window. I hope that's not a guy or somebody. Let's go back up to the clubhouse. As we all know, in a Schindler, the door close button does not work. And here we go. Let's go back down to C. That's the clubhouse right up here. There's your chime. Let's get you a cab view while going down. It's just your basic Schindler with the very nice carpeted interior. I like this elevator a lot better than the other one, just because of the way this thing looks. We're not going to take 3 rides on this thing, because I did see some guards around. I don't want them seeing you with a video camera. Again, it's a 3,500 pound capacity. Yeah.